Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you forget the password of your Kakao account, how you're going to reset it, I will show you that in this video. So watch the video till the end and let's find out. So the first thing you need to do is to open KakaoTalk application on your device. Once you open it, go to the setting on the top right corner and then tap on General Settings. So once you're here, then you need to tap on Kakao account. It will take a few moments, and here you need to scroll down where you will find reset password. So you need to tap on that one, and now as you can see, you have your email and then they say that enter the current password. So we don't remember the current password, so how are you going to reset it? Then tap on forgot your password and it will bring you here. From here, you can use your phone number to get a code, or you can use the email to receive a code, and then you can verify that it is actually you. So I will use the phone number here. You need to enter your nickname or name here. So guys, once you enter your name here, the next thing you need to do is to enter your phone number that you use for Kakao account. So once you enter your phone number, now you need to tap on verify. So once you tap on verify, KakaoTalk application will send you a code on your phone number, and then as you can see, I just received it, and then you need to enter that code right here. So guys, once you type in the code, all you need to do is to tap on next. So once you tap on next, it will bring you here, and from here you can select your password, the new password, and re-enter the new password, and then tap on confirm. So I will select a password and then I will show you. So guys, I selected a password. You can select your password and then re-enter the same password again to confirm it, and then tap on confirm. And here they can say that password reset completed. Do you want to log out of other devices? If not, then just tap on stay logged in, or if you want to log out, you can do that as well, and then tap on confirm. And they say never share your password or verification code with anyone. Then you need to just tap on confirm. And as you can see, the password has been reset. So guys, this is how you can reset your password if you forget your current password on KakaoTalk. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.